How to use Google Calendar. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google Calendar on your device. Now to select the month, simply tap on the month icon at the top left corner. Now select the month. Now to change the display format, tap on the three lines. Now select the display format. If you want to add an event, simply tap on the date. Now add the event title. Now simply swipe up. Now you can access multiple settings. You can simply add details. Then tap on save at the top right corner. Now give the permission notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.